Hello, I am going to share with you what I made this week as well as some patterns that I picked up. So if this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to share with you some patterns I picked up as well as some vintage patterns that I purchased from Goodwill for only 49 cents. So let's take a look. So the first pattern that I got from Walmart was this It's So Easy, It's Simplicity pattern. You can see the new packaging, the pricing, the style number of the pattern, the sizes. And it actually tells you on the front how many yards of fabric you will need to accomplish this. I felt like this would be a really easy make. Let's see, is it rated? It isn't rated, but you can see the line art right here. I feel like it's a great like fabric stash buster. Like scrap buster, that's what I'm trying to say. I felt like this would be a great scrap buster. The only notion it is called is for lightweight fusible interfacing. You can make this out of medium weight woven fabric such as crepe, challis, cotton blends, and charmeuse. So something that has a flow to it. I thought this was really cute and going to be a really easy make, and that's why I picked it up. Like I say, I really wanted it because I could see doing a scrap buster with this shirt. And I have several scraps that I want to try and attempt to use to make this. So purchase this. Next, I have another It's So Easy, It's Simplicity. Again, it was only $2.97. The pattern number or style number, and its size is extra small through XXL. And this takes 2 yards. And I wanted a sweatshirt pattern because I plan to make a sweatshirt out of some knits, and this one was really, really cute. And I actually like how they did the little pearls on the sleeve. May or may not do that. But let's look at the back. Here's the line drawings. And the notion says it asks for twill, trim, or ribbon, and metal eyelets, and 22 pearl beads.
Wow.
You can make this with moderate stretch fabrics. They need to have a 35% cross grain stretch. Sweatshirt fleece, sweater knits, cuddle fleece, French terry. And it has the gauge. So if you work with knits, this gauge is for that. So you would want it to come, like you would have a piece and it would need to stretch to here to determine if it would work for this pattern or not. So knit patterns have this gauge on the side. So anyway, I picked this one up, $2.97, and you get to only need 2 yards to make this. Everybody has been making their Afghans, and I do not have my Afghan pattern close at hand, so I picked up another one, and I actually have this one. Now, what I did notice is for this, it's only one view, and the one that I have, if I can even think to pull up the simplicity pattern, it has multiple versions that you can do. But I did notice that the Walmart version only comes with one version. Again, it was $2.97. The style number or pattern number here, size is extra small to extra large. This particular pattern calls for 4 yards of fabric. And you can see the line drawings here in the back. It has a belt. And it says make it with cotton blends, rayon, silky types. And it has interfacing. You need a lightweight fusible interfacing. But I thought this was really cute. And I definitely have fabric for this. Really going to be really, really cute. Now let's get to what I found at Goodwill. These were not half off. If you know me, you know my rule is to shop half off, but they were 49¢. So therefore I purchased them. This is a simplicity pattern. It's for sizes 6, 8, and 10, 8, 7, 4, 1. And it's 6 made easies, meaning it has these six views inside. And it is supposed to be an easy pattern. Let's see. Here are the line drawings and notions. It just says the red notions and simplicity trims. So it looks like it has elastic in it, but maybe it does not. Maybe you just have, create the casing and there's a string that pulls in there. I don't know. But it doesn't even call for elastic. So this is a no notion pattern. Like it. I can't wait to make it. That's really cute to me. And this is Simplicity 8743. Again, we have 6 views on this one as well. I love this one because I like the tunic view, but I felt like it was so much in this pattern for 49¢, because I could see all of these views, making them and using the pattern size is 6, 8, 10. And here are the line drawings. It's so much you can do with this. And again, this must be a no notion because it is only calling for thread. It said you can make this out of gauze, laundered cottons, batik, soft lightweight peak is Pique, challis, crepe, I can't say that, and crepon, crepon, laundered silks, rayon, soft lightweight linen and linen blends. Extra fabric needed to match plaid, stripes, or one-way design fabric. Another easy to sew. I have some knit fabrics. I was like, oh, this is super cute. Let me see if I could take this off so we can see what the other ladies have. Okay, this was a 49¢as well. Love View A, View C. I might be feeling this too. That's really cute. But it even has a little bag you can make. I like all the views, actually. This was size 6, 8, 10, and 12. Here are the line drawings. Really cute. So it has pants, and you have these dresses. Different views, and you got this little belt purse. Oh, that's really cute. 49¢, guys. Next, I have an Easy Stitch and Save by McCalls. I just felt like this was just going to be an easy dress to make. This right here. Easy and cute. It was 49¢. They got this, guys, when it was in Hancock fabrics. That's funny. Really cute. Just a simple dress. Suggested fabric, rayon blends, soft valley, crepe de chine, cotton and cotton blends, jersey knits, cotton interlock wash silk. Oh, so you could do this out of knit or woven. Wow. Really cute and simple. Another simplicity pattern, 9050. I fell in love with these pants, guys. Let's see. Look like it has a skirt. Yeah, it looks like it has a skirt, pants, the tie-up pants. This is the view I fell in love with. So let's see what it says on the back. Okay. This one has a wrap around it. Cotton blends, lightweight denim. That Pique fabric. Twill, crepe, Twill, crepe black satin, double georgette, laundered silks, rayons, rayon suiting, chiton, linen, and linen blends, stretch woven fabrics. Wow. And it can also use taffeta or velvet in A. Wow. Lots of different fabrics you can use. Notions, thread, notions, thread, zipper, hook and eye, wide cotton, twill tape, buttons. So it calls for notions, but I just love this view right here. I love this little pant set. That's cute. It looks really easy though. I'm assuming this would be the one that has a zipper. But anyway, cute, 49 cents. Here's another, let me get the tag off. Okay, here's another one. It's so easy. It's simplicity. Oh, sorry about that. $8.99 from extra small to extra large. I thought this was just cute to make something casual. You can make just a shirt. You can make just the pants. You can make a set. So I was feeling the whole pattern. And here are the line drawings. Really simple. The capris you would just cut off at that length. Really cute. And this is also a no notion pattern as well. Really, really nice. 49 cents. You can't beat it. Here's another one. I like the tunic on this one. This one was 49 cents as well. But I like this tunic. I thought that was really nice. That's really the only reason I got it. And it's kind of giving me scrub vibes now that I look at it, but it's cute. $0.49. And last but not least, I thought this was really cute. You can see that it had a tank top. I really needed a tank top pattern, so I really picked it up for that. But it has a tank top and you have the pants in here. Really cute. And it's so easy. It's simplicity pattern, so should be really easy to follow. But I really needed this tank top pattern, so I got it. Hello, I just wanted to show you what I made this week. It's very simple. It is McCalls 8244. I'll put the pattern up here so that you guys can see it. It's really simple. I made it on my serger, which I don't like doing, just serging, but I needed something simple and quick, and on the serger with knits you can do that. I hopefully will go back later with a zigzag stitch along where I serge, just for the extra reinforcement. But I wanted to show you guys how it looked. This is an $8 outfit. I want to say this was the 3 yards for $8 from Walmart. So I wanted you to see, I love the shirt. I am in love with the shirt. Like when I say I will make this again, I will probably make this several times over, especially out of scrap knits. Because if you look at the picture, you can see where they have color blocking. I just did not do color blocking. What I did was, when you cut out the pattern, it's going to come in the pieces, the individual pieces for the color blocking version. I just taped those together, and I cut out a front and I cut out a back. So I just wanted to show you guys what I came up with. And this is the front. Let me get a little closer. You can see, trying to show you without showing you all my tiger stripes. But you can see I came over. I wasn't following the directions. And had I followed the directions, I wouldn't have made this mistake. But my little crisscross comes over to the side when it should be directly in where the crotch line is. But the These are cute. They are cute leggings. I like them. I will be making the leggings again. I don't really care for the crisscross, but I do want to get it right, and it's really simple to do. So I like this. I think I'm going to raise the bait waistband. I'm actually going to raise the entire this up from the pants, and then that'll raise my waistband. I think the waistband is fine. I just want a little length on the pants, pants. But I just wanted to show you guys. I just serged the edges. I didn't even do anything fancy. All of this is serged. So that's it. That's what I made this week.